night awaking, hyperventilating, drunk laps, running around the globe, wild goose chasing after 3 #1 albums. Would've thought I feel amazing, still impatient, still sipping on liquor, still rolling up swishers. Nas Beamers, double pocket, fuck pen and meter. In your club, on your couch, just got paid to be it. On your girl, rubbing on my favorite features. I said that Jesus only wanted Ben Franklin's and Mona Lisa's. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Man, I might fuck around, lose my mind. I got a breakout, I'm on a stakeout, on the farm or your lake house. Around 3 AM, dog, I was getting busy in the bathroom stall. Bad mamacita, Miami heater, put her in a 2-seater. Too bad I couldn't 3-peat her. Need a whole lot of Vita before I see the Reaper. House full of snow bunnies, putting trees up like it's Christmas Easter. Need more stamps than the skinny nigga, got tax on my visa. I know the kids in the frame, they don't trust, they believe it. I mean Jesus, 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 Jesus. Man, I might fuck around, lose my mind. I got a breakout, I'm on a stakeout, on a farm or your lake house. Jesus, Jesus, I mean Jesus, Jesus. Man, I might fuck around, lose my mind. I got a breakout, I'm on a stakeout, on a farm or your lake house. Jesus, Jesus.
Yes, I finally got my fragments, but let's take a second to press F and pay respects to the people that have got their sneakers stolen from FedEx. My fragments finally came in, and I'm not gonna lie, bro. The quality on these things is money. This isn't my first Travis Scott sneaker, but I think this might be up there, at least in my collection, one of my best quality shoes I got. I'm not usually into the low tops with Air Jordan 1s, I'm not gonna lie. I can't even stunt, like for a Jordan 1, this is actually a pretty comfortable sneaker. Like I have these like loosely laced right now, as you'll probably seen on the on foot already, but these are like pretty damn comfortable to have on feet, at least so far. With the quality being as good as it is on the Royal with the little tumbled leather and all that garbage and this leather kind of gives more like a damn Chicago 1. Like this toe box, I don't know, man. You just don't gotta break it in. Like you usually gotta break in Jordan 1s, dude. I don't know, bro. Maybe I'm just tripping. There's a lot of fakes of these rolling around right now. So if you do end up getting your hands on a pair, please be very careful. Get them legit checked if you don't get them from retail, or if you don't get them from like StockX or GOAT or something like that where they already authenticated. So just be very careful, because these reps are getting pretty damn good, I'm not gonna lie. Right now these things are going for about $1,300 before tax on StockX right now on average. I'll check the GOAT number a little bit later. But with that being said, I've been seeing pairs float around for about 1.1, 1.2 on sneaker groups just to get the convenience on your side with no fees and yada yada yada. I definitely think these shoes are gonna go ahead and shoot up within about like 4 months or so. And the reason I say that is just because, one, Travis Scott's name is not dying out. He's got an album coming out. He's got a festival coming up. These right here are better than the highs. I don't know how to say it. They're just better. And with that cream swoosh, man, and I don't think the regular ones have those, or the high tops, my fault. If you're thinking about buying these shoes for a personal cop and a personal wear, I would probably go ahead and get it now, because I don't see them going too much lower, even for bigger sizes. Like the size 13's going for like 1.1, and that's what size these are. But they're just going to go up, like I previously said, because of Travis Scott's name, his success, and he's just like basically the wave when it comes to Jordans, at least right now. Bro, it's about to just shoot up. But I'm like pretty happy I got the shoe, but like if you're thinking about going ahead and get it, go ahead and please pull the trigger now, because it will only go up and up and up and up and up and up. And you know how these resellers be. So if you enjoyed this, please don't forget to leave a like, and look forward to my future upcoming videos. Later.